we're going to dig into the differences between two modes on the Dark Rock Pro 5. The quiet mode and the performance mode, and you might be surprised by the findings. In this video, we'll cover the key differences in looks and insulation, and then jump into performance. Given this is the same cooler, everything is the same except for the mode on the cooler. Under the metal top that uses magnets to connect to the cooler, it has a switch with a P and a Q. The P is for the performance mode, while the Q is for the quiet mode. We will look into what kind of performance differences to expect between these two modes. Note that the primary change is the RPM range in which the cooler operates. We've tested both modes over idle, high, and overclock temperatures and have two sets of charts to show you. One that looks performance normalized by percent speed, and one that looks performance normalized by sound. In our first set of charts normalized by percent speeds, we have temperatures on the left represented by the solid line, noise on the right represented by the dashed line, and percent speeds on the bottom. For this graph, lower is always better. At idle, the Dark Rock Pro 5 quiet mode in blue has very similar performance to the performance mode in red. As we turn up the heat to 105 watts, we can see that the quiet mode caps the fan speed at optimal performance levels, while the performance mode has higher RPMs without a noticeable cooling benefit. When we push the CPU to 130 watts, we can see that this relationship holds. Next, we will look at noise normalized charts. But don't forget to hit that like button or subscribe if you're enjoying this content. In our second set of charts normalized by sound, we have temperatures on the left, noise on the bottom, with lower being better. At idle, both coolers have some performance where noise is comparable. As we turn up the heat to 105 watts, we can see that this trend continues. And even when we push the CPU to 130 watts, we can observe that this relationship holds. Overall, we can see that out of the two options, the quiet mode will yield the best fan curve, while the performance mode may not provide a material benefit. And if you're curious on how the Dark Rock Pro 5 compares to the Dark Rock Pro 4, you should check out this video comparing these two coolers.